Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark, and in today's video we are going to talk about the GST effects again, and this time Suzuki bikes and scooters are getting cheaper and you can save up to rupees 18,000 rupees with the new GST rule that has set in. Now, Japanese two-wheeler manufacturer Suzuki has announced a price reduction across its scooter and motorcycle lineup, which will start effectively from today, that is 22nd of September 2025. The revision is aimed at making models such as the Gixxer, Gixxer SF, Gixxer 250, the Gixxer SF 250, Axis, Avenus, Burgman Street EX, and the V-Strom SX more accessible to the customers across India. Now, the price drop also applies to spare parts, which lowers the maintenance cost for the existing owners as well. Suzuki says that the adjustments allow buyers to enjoy the company's full portfolio at a more affordable rate, enhancing the value without compromising on the features and the quality. The maximum savings that you can do as far as model goes, with the Gixxer SF 250 benefiting by rupees 18,024 rupees and the V-Strom SX seeing a reduction of up to 17,982 rupees. With the Gixxer 250 now at rupees 16,525 rupees less, and scooters such as the Axis and the Burgman Street EX are cheaper by 8,523 and 9,798 respectively. The timing of the price drop aligns with the festive season, traditionally a period of high demand for two-wheelers. Customers expect a host of festive savings alongside a price cut following the new GST rules. Now, Suzuki's approach ensures that both the purchase and maintenance costs are more budget-friendly, making 8 sub-350cc models across the lineup more attractive to wider audience. Now, buyers can now access popular models at lower ex-showroom prices while enjoying the features and the build quality that Suzuki is known for. So yeah, this was the price reduction done by Suzuki. Now I will tell you as per each model how much rupees can you save. Now, starting off with the Axis, you can save up to 8,523 rupees. With the Avenus, you can save 7,823 rupees. Burgman Street is cheaper by 8,373. The Burgman Street EX is cheaper by 9,798. Gixxer is cheaper by 11,520 rupees. Gixxer SF is cheaper by 12,311 rupees. Gixxer 250 is cheaper by 16,525 rupees, and the V-Strom SX is cheaper by 17,982. And last but not least, the Gixxer SF 250 gets the maximum benefit of rupees 18,024 rupees. So yeah guys, this was the new price cut from Suzuki bikes and scooters in the Indian market. I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoyed this video. For such videos, please follow Drive Spark, and I will see you in the next one.